come with this set. On the front bumper, we have 2 swords. Right here, these little things can move. There's a clear cockpit here, and you open it up, and put Sensei Garmadon inside. Look at that. And he just kind of lies back, and you put it back up there. And back here, there's another seat where you can put Lloyd. This seat can move around, but it can't move around all the way. And right here, we have the little flag. The guns can move back, and the flag. It's got a little grappling hook. That's 3, 2, 1, fire! Alright, now I'm going to show you guys the main play feature of this car. On the back here, there's a little lever. When you push it halfway, the gun raises up. And if you push it even harder, the missile fires. I like it because it looks like a motor and it has another function. That was pretty clever of Lego. So that was Mia's car without Mia. And now let's show you guys the best part, the Mech Dragon. Alright, so here he is. It's pretty cool. I really like the color scheme on this. It's a lot different than the previous dragons. He has a mouth here that you can open. A few teeth. His neck is on a ball joint, so you can move that around and pose it. These little flaps you can move. It has a hidden storage where you put your weapons. You can put both chainsaws on each side, and then you just close the flaps. And it looks really cool. When you look at the front, chainsaws coming out of it. He also has posable dragon claws. You can point his tail and do ballet. His back claws